Current GoPro helmet mounts are heavy and very tedious to install. They also don't fit the true curves of most motorcycle helmets. In this video, I'm unboxing and reviewing the MotoRadds Flex GoPro mount that solves this issue and more. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you get quick motorcycle how-tos and product reviews like this. Before we get into it, be sure to subscribe for more like this. Let's go. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. MotoRadds was nice enough to send me 2 of these Flex mounts. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in me doing a giveaway or something. So I must say I really love the packaging. It's clean and lets you know all about the product. Inside you get this card that gives you the simple steps on how to install, and of course the mount itself with an additional extension piece. And that's all you need. Before I put this on my helmet, I just want to show you how much this thing flexes. In comparison to the old standard curve mount from GoPro, the MotoRadds mount puts it to shame. Alright, let's install it now. So following the directions, all you have to do is peel the adhesive liner, place the mount onto the desired location, and finally press down on the mount and mold it to the shape of your helmet. Here's a close-up to show you how good of a fit it is. There's absolutely no spaces where the adhesive is not touching the helmet. This is where the old mounts fail. Alright, let's get into some of the pros of the Flex mount. The first pro is the amount that this product is able to flex. It truly lives up to its name. The fact that it molds to any helmet is really a game changer for this industry. Another pro is the minimal look that it gives to your helmet. You literally aren't riding around with a ton of bulky extensions adding weight to your helmet. The third pro is definitely how fast you're able to apply this to any helmet. So for the cons, the only con that I currently find is that there is a little bit of wiggle in it once you have your GoPro mounted to it. But MotoRadds is aware of this and they are currently working on the solution to this. Overall, this is a must-have for riders who use their GoPro on their helmets. I just want to give a shout out and thank you to MotoRadds for this amazing innovation. Go ahead and give them a follow on Instagram for more info on this product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.